Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Let's go! I got another video for you. Check it out. Imagine this, okay? Imagine doing absolutely nothing, okay? And I'm gonna show you proof. All you need is an iPhone. You download a couple of things, either apps. It works on Android and iOS, and you'll start making money, okay? Now, this is all I want you to do because I have these apps. And listen, I'm in my bedroom right now. I'm laying down. I'm relaxed. And let me show you something, because I always want you to understand this, that you can make money online, but you do have to take action. You have to apply yourself, and you have to believe in you. Let me show you something here, and I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, okay? I've never showed this before, but I did it a few times. Let me log into a real account in the last 60 days, and I want to show you what I made in 30 days, okay? Look, that's 9/1/9/28 right now in September. If I hit the submit button, if I scroll down here, I've made $82,000. And if you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to show you exactly the technique and the information that you need to make money like that, okay? Does that make sense? Now listen, before I give you these two apps, you don't have to do anything, okay? All you need is your fingers. That's it. If you have fingers in an iPhone or an Android, it works. Two, it's not going to make you rich, okay? You're not going to be on Bora Bora on the beach butt naked based off this, but it will make residual passive income. Understand something about the internet industry. People make money online because they create different sources of income, okay? It's just not one. That's dumb people. Smart people, we have several ways online to make money. I'm going to give you two apps that work 100% that you can do right now. You're going to like me. You're going to love me because it works, okay? Listen, here's my channel. Remember, never hit that like button or sub to the channel unless I give you massive value. And I'm talking to you, big head. So don't smash that like button or sub to the channel unless you want videos every single day on how to make money, unless you're going to take massive action, or maybe just like when I say, let's go! Okay, the first app is, boom, Lifecoin. Download it. Look, go to your app store on your iPhone, download Lifecoin. All you need is this, is a pair of legs. If you have legs, okay, that means that you can move around and walk. They will pay you. That's all you have to do. You download it, and when you walk around the planet, this app is going to pay you every single day, okay? Download the app. It's really cool here. And the great thing about it, you can use this money for PayPal. You can use it to get a free iPhone. You can use it to get gift cards. As a matter of fact, I use it, and every time I get paid, I get a gift card, and I give it to you at my Instagram at Wesley Virgin. Feel free to follow me. I give away money every day, gift cards. Why? Because apps like this pay me for free just to walk. And listen, I don't like to walk, okay? But if you're lazy, if you want to make passive income, just walk and it works. Second app is this, Smart App. Once again, look, iPhone, Galaxy phone. It doesn't matter if you're a teenager, okay? Maybe you work all day. These apps will pay you to do nothing. All you do is go here, you click on, and the great thing about it, you have people that are giving good testimonies about this website. I love it, smartapp.com. smartapp.io, okay? Smartapp.io. You click here, all you have to do is take a survey. As long as you get approved based off the survey that you take, you're in. And it's easy to do. Like, imagine yourself in your bed like this, right? And you just like downloading apps, and as long as they download it, you go through the survey, they approve you, you just make money. I mean, how easy is that? Can you imagine how internet marketers like myself are making all this cash? Because we understand that these type of apps, people are not giving us away for free. But me, Wesley Virgin, I love you. I like you. I like you, right? So download the app. It's free. You don't have to do nothing. Make sense? This is how you make money online. Smash the like button if you like that app. Smash the like button right now if you're going to download it right now just to start making extra money. It's just extra money, maybe for gas, maybe for a meal. It doesn't matter, but it's extra money. Every dollar counts. And here's the last website. Listen, I love this one the most. Check it out. Slidejoy.com. Like, get slidejoy.com. So imagine this. You know, in your phone here, I have my lock screen. And let me give you a millionaire tip if you don't mind. If you ever want to become a millionaire, okay, and your belief, such as you want to believe that it really will happen for you, but something in your mind keeps telling you that it's not, do this. You see this right here? On my lock screen, I write, this is my goal, to earn $3 million per month, easily and effortlessly. I've had this on it for the last 2 years. Right now, I do about $1 million plus per month, but my goal is $3 million. Listen, do it. It's work. It's subliminal. Every time you look at your phone, you're going to see it. Boom. Boom, right? Repetition is the mother of what? Skill. But listen, imagine going to this website, typing in SlideJoy in the App Store, downloading it, which means is what they're going to do is every time you have a lock screen, they're going to put an advertisement on it and they're going to pay you. Listen, I want you to imagine how many times do you look at your phone and how much money are you getting paid to look at your phone? Nothing. You're getting paid to look at your phone. You know, I know what you're thinking. You say, man, Wesley, are you kidding me? All these different apps exist. Like, I like you because you're just giving it to me for free. Yes, it's on the internet. I've been doing this for 10 years. And there's so many ways. It's large ways to make money. And I'm going to show you in about 5 seconds how to make like $10,000 a month. I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. And there's small ways like these apps just to bring in some cash, basically doing everything that you're going to do anyway, right? So smash the like button. Go ahead and download it every single time. Basically, when you swipe and they put these advertisements on your iPhone, when you're on the lock screen, right, they're going to pay you out and you can basically use it. You can either cash out with PayPal, or you can do me. You can donate to different charities, or you can use them for gift cards, but it's a great way to make side income. Now, check it out. Slow down. Let me ask you a question. Did I give you massive value? Be honest. What I want to do is this. If you look in the description below, and as you look at my screen, it's $82,000 in 1 month. Listen, it wasn't always like this, okay? I'm just a regular black kid from Houston, Texas. I'm not going to say I was poor, but it was average, okay? I never seen a rich person from the age from 1 to 21. My parents never made more than $20,000 a year. I've lost apartments. I lost cars. I've been told that I never amount to anything. The Army kicked me out. I almost didn't graduate high school because I was rebellious. Right? They said, you'll never make it, Wes. You'll never do great things. You know, you're smart, but you're just too rebellious. Listen, and I'm going to share this from the top of my heart. And I really appreciate you guys loving and liking this video here because it's powerful and it's important to you. You can do it. Okay? As you look at my screen, you look at that number, $82,000 a month. That's possible for you too. Listen, don't ever let someone on the planet tell you that what you can't do. People even today, they say, well, you're going to fail. You just got lucky. That's how you made $1 million. Right? I have naysayers. So what? Listen, don't ever let another man or woman, I don't care if it's your mama, your pastor, your friend, your significant other, never let them tell you what's not possible. Listen, it is possible. And you can make this type of money. You got to work. You got to believe in yourself. And you need a blueprint. And if you look in my description below, this is the most easiest way. Listen, I'm a slow learner. It took me 10 years to understand how to make money online. And a lot of internet marketers, they make it too complicated. They make it too difficult. In the description below, in that link, that's the most easiest way to make $10,000 a month. Listen, you do got to work. You got to focus. You got to separate yourself. But it works. And it'll work for you. I love you so much. If I deserve a like and a share and a sub. Like I said, every day, it's a new video on how to make money online. But listen, if you want to make $10,000 a month so you can travel around the world, so you're going to don't have to work that 9-to-5 job anymore, so you can be free like Wesley Virgin, so you can sit butt naked in your bed every day while people are working and you are living your dreams, in the description, click it, read the information, use it, apply it, and then one day, tell Wesley Virgin that you appreciate me, because I appreciate you. Now, go get it. Let's go! This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.